Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this round-bound crocodile in fish eats. So the round-bound crocodile is one of the predator in the latest fish eat update, and in here I'm going to show you the exact location where I got this crocodile and also the gear setup you need to survive to get this one. So for the locations in here, you can get it on the new area, the lava basin, and you can use your bass rod and bait to get this one because it is a mythic fire fish, and I'm using element rod with singularity bait to get the crocodile. And this is the location where I got the crocodile. You can just head inside the lava basin and fish at the top of this waterfall. So for the crocodile, it can be caught at any time and any weather. So you can just try your luck. You can use your luck totem or mutation totem and just use your best rod and bait combo setup. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.